Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you a quick video tour of a Mercedes C-Class. So this is our 2010 Mercedes C220 CDI. It's covered just over 98,000 miles from new. It's got 3 previous owners, 2 keys, and a whopping 9 service stamps with plenty of invoices to show what's been done over the years. Whilst in our care, we've replaced all disc pads, refurbished the alloys, professionally powder coated, carried out a fresh MOT and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car's in really good condition for the age and miles. A couple little stone chips here and there, but honestly, it's a really, really nice looking car. Inside, got leather front seats, electrically adjusted on the driver's side, ice cold aircon, cruise control, steering wheel controls, AM/FM radio, CD player, automatic lights, power fold mirrors. It's all in really nice condition in here. It's the 2.1 diesel with the automatic gearbox. Good bit of legroom in the back. Again, all in really nice condition in here. And you've also got a lovely big boot to match as well. Very, very practical cars, these. You've got the electronic tailgate on these as well. I've always really liked that features on cars. Really, really lovely motor. Well cared for over the years. Really good history. Ready to go to its new owner. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.